Hey homeowners, today we're talking about tax tips you should know before the end of the year. Today we're talking about homeowners and what to know for the end of the year tax time. Hi there, I'm Aundrea Beach-Greco, your local mortgage expert. It is my passion to help you with the largest investment of your lifetime, your home. And it's super important to me that we arm you with the right credit and mortgage strategies to help you make informed decisions with your short and long-term goals. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell. I post new content all the time and I'd hate for you to miss it. So today we're talking about homeowners and what to know for year-end tax tips. With interest rates being so low, there's a lot of homeowners that are taking advantage of the low rates and refinancing and pulling equity out of their property. Home repair and renovation projects are a great way to reinvest in your property, keep it up to date, and potential resale value in the future. And with all of this, there are things that you can write off on your taxes that you may not have even known about. If you have a dedicated home office and you've done repairs or improvements, then you can write off those improvements or repairs. Number 2, if you fixed leaky pipes or faucets or made some minor improvements, those aren't generally tax deductible. But if you've made what they call a capital improvement, which is a substantial upgrade that adds potential value to your home, that would qualify as a capital improvement. That capital improvement could qualify for a tax deduction. Number 3 are the energy efficient upgrades. Now, some parts of the United States are more prominent than others, but solar panels, energy efficient hot water heaters, all of those would count towards energy efficient upgrades. You might be eligible for a deduction with the federal residential renewable tax credit. The credit up to 30% solar panel or a solar water heater. And if you install these items before December 2019, you can use this deduction on your 2019 taxes. Depending upon where you live, there's some states that offer additional incentives. You'll have to look into that. You may want to consult your tax professional if you plan on making upgrades to your home. Number 4 is renovating your investment or income producing properties. Any repairs or upgrades that you do to your investment properties could be a tax deduction. There are a lot of items that would qualify for tax deduction on rental properties, such as power washing your driveway, replacing furniture or appliances, and there's a slew of others. It's important that you check with your tax professional about some of those first. And it's important you work with a tax professional that you trust and that can help and guide you along the way. They might even point out deductions you weren't even aware of. If you need a recommendation, reach out. Otherwise, if I can help in any way, please just drop me a line right here and we'll talk to you soon.